Language learning made easy.
Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now.
Unit 13, The School Play.
Are you going to the school play on Saturday night?
The school play? I didn't know there was going to be a play on Saturday night.
Yes, I heard about it in English class yesterday. I think it will be really good.
Who told you about it?
Ms. Martin, our English teacher, told us all about it. This is the drama club's first play of the year.
What is the play about? I hope it's nothing boring.
Can you guess what it is?
Oh, come on. Tell me, please.
It's The Sound of Music.
Really? I watched The Sound of Music on TV last month. It's very good. Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. That's what Ms. Martin said. Would you like to watch the play with me on Saturday night?
That would be great. Let's go early so we get good seats.
Vocabulary. Play. Class. Nothing. Drama club. Guess. Watch. Seat. Thank you and goodbye.